Hey everyone, it's Dr. Emily here, and let's face it, bad breath or halitosis can be a real confidence killer. It's one of those things we don't like to talk about, but it affects so many of us. The good news is that bad breath is usually easy to fix with a few simple changes to your routine. In this video, I'm sharing my ultimate guide to fresh breath. We'll cover everything from the absolute basics of good oral hygiene to some surprising natural remedies you can try at home. And don't worry, I'm keeping it real and straightforward, just like always. If you're ready to ditch the mints and say goodbye to bad breath for good, hit that subscribe button and keep watching. Let's start with the foundation of fresh breath good oral hygiene. Think of your mouth like a bustling city. When it's clean and well maintained, everything runs smoothly. But when things get neglected, problems start to arise. The main culprits behind bad breath are bacteria. These tiny microorganisms thrive in warm, moist environments, and guess what? Your mouth is their dream home. They feed on food particles left behind after eating, releasing smelly sulfur compounds. That's the unpleasant odor we know as bad breath. Brushing your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time is non-negotiable. Use a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste, making sure to reach every surface of your teeth. Don't forget your tongue. Flossing once a day is just as important as brushing. Remember, a clean mouth is a fresh mouth. We all know we should brush our teeth, but are you doing it right? Brushing twice a day, morning and night, is crucial for fresh breath. Morning brushing removes overnight bacteria buildup. That fuzzy feeling? It's plaque, a haven for odor-causing bacteria. Brushing at night removes food particles and reduces bad breath. Use a pea-sized amount of fluoride toothpaste and brush gently for 2 minutes. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if frayed. Did you know that something as simple as parsley can help banish bad breath? This leafy green herb is packed with chlorophyll, a natural compound with deodorizing properties. Chewing on a few fresh parsley sprigs after a meal can help neutralize odors and leave your breath feeling clean and refreshed. It's like a natural breath mint, without the added sugar or artificial ingredients. Parsley also contains antibacterial properties, which can help inhibit the growth of bacteria in your mouth. This means it's not just masking bad breath, it's actually helping to combat the root cause. You can find fresh parsley in the produce section of most grocery stores. Look for bright green leaves that are free from wilting or discoloration. Rinse the leaves thoroughly before chewing and discard any tough stems. Next time you're looking for a natural way to freshen your breath, reach for a sprig of parsley. Incorporating crunchy fruits and vegetables into your diet is like giving your teeth a mini workout while freshening your breath naturally. Think of them as nature's toothbrush. Apples, carrots, celery. These crunchy foods act like natural abrasives, helping to scrub away plaque and food particles from your teeth as you chew. They also stimulate saliva production, which is your mouth's natural defense against bad breath. Saliva helps neutralize acids, wash away food debris, and keep your mouth feeling moist and comfortable. When your mouth is dry, bacteria can thrive, leading to bad breath. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, opt for a crunchy apple or a handful of baby carrots. Not only are they good for your overall health, but they'll also help keep your breath smelling fresh. Even with the most diligent oral hygiene routine, there are certain things you just can't do at home. That's where regular dental cleanings, also known as prophylaxis, come in. Think of a dental cleaning as a deep clean for your mouth. Your dentist or dental hygienist has specialized tools and techniques to remove plaque and tartar buildup in those hard-to-reach areas. Tartar, also known as calculus, is hardened plaque that can't be removed with regular brushing and flossing. It's a major contributor to bad breath and gum disease. During a cleaning, your dentist will also examine your mouth for any signs of oral health problems, such as cavities, gum disease, or oral cancer. Early detection is key to preventing these issues from becoming more serious. Most dental professionals recommend having a professional cleaning every 6 months. However, your dentist may recommend more frequent cleanings depending on your individual needs. That's it for my ultimate guide to fresh breath. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene and making smart food choices are the keys to a healthier, fresher mouth. Brush and floss regularly, incorporate those breath-freshening foods into your diet, and don't forget to schedule regular checkups with your dentist. If you're struggling with persistent bad breath, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. There may be underlying medical conditions that need to be addressed. Now go out there and breathe easy, knowing you have the tools and knowledge to conquer bad breath and rock that confident smile.